How GTF engines threw European air logistics into chaos. In Europe, millions of pollen sacs are flown daily by swift, strong, and reliable bees. Among them, super-fast bees like Whiz use advanced wings that help her fly farther with less energy. But inside the wax, tiny metal particles hide, a small defect that causes big trouble. The wing breaks in flight, bee down, and the pollen never reaches his flower. Immediately, all GTF wing bees are grounded. No one dares fly with risky wings. No bees, no pollen delivery. The logistics center descends into chaos. Without timely pollen, some flowers begin to wither. Damage spreads far beyond Whiz's colony. The root cause lies deep in manufacturing. Metallic dust weaken the wax under heat. To fix it, wings must be removed, cleaned, rebuilt, each one taking nearly 300 days to restore. While waiting for repairs, hundreds of bees lie idle, unable to fly. With fewer bees, over 12,000 pollen flights were canceled. The logistics network stutters. Others try to help, flying more than ever, but they can't fully replace Whiz. Flowers won't wait forever. Some turn to butterflies. Some shut down completely. No wings? Use the ground. Some hire outside help, but it's expensive and slow. A small technical flaw caused a full-blown crisis in Europe's logistics web. GTF wings are used worldwide. The problem spreads from Europe to India and Southeast Asia. Replacement wings are scarce. Factories can't keep up. More bees grounded each week. Cutting-edge wings need time to prove safe and never rely on one set of wings alone. New wings are under testing, but the hive's full recovery may take years. So now you see, one wing failure can leave pollen stranded far from its flower. Comment a logistics strategy you want Bee Logistics to explore next, and don't forget to subscribe.